Hey y'all, it's your girl Lyasia, and I'm back with another video. Life update. I'm moving again. And I know you're like, but sis, you just moved like 2 months ago. What's happening? But the good thing is, I'm staying in the same building, just moving to a different unit in a 3 bedroom this time. So now I want to show you guys my new empty apartment tour. So this is the kitchen, which looks pretty much identical to the last kitchen. You'll see still all the same slate smudge-proof appliances. So this is the lovely refrigerator with the ice and water machine. Love it. So this is the exact same oven with the electric stove top. Also the exact same microwave that never gets used, but it's here to look cute. Still all of the white cabinets, lots of storage space, and the same backsplash that I'm obsessed with. So I love that. All of this is pretty much the same. So over here we have the gooseneck faucet with a really deep farmhouse sink. One of my favorite parts of the kitchen. I just love that vibe. And then one difference is the dishwasher is on this side of the sink, whereas in the last apartment, it was on the opposite side. So I still have a really large island that I love. And of course, the wine fridge, favorite feature of the kitchen. So of course, we had to keep that. This is the pantry, and it is very spacious with a good amount of shelving in there. And it's basically the exact same pantry we had in the last unit, so that's great because I love it. So this first door is the water boiler room. Not cute, but these double doors is the washer and dryer. In the last unit we had stackables, and now we have side by side, which is my personal favorite. And another new part about this unit is that we have another closet that can be used for storage, for like just household storage, kitchen storage, whatever you want to use it for. And it looks like this. So now on to the living room, which is a noticeably different in size. It is definitely much larger than our previous apartment, way more space for the living area. So we still have a ceiling fan here in the living room, but as you can see, there's just a lot more space. I also love that on this side we have this track light, and it's kind of like spotlights. And I think that'll be really cute once we get some decor going in here. And from the living room, it takes us right onto the balcony. This is the balcony. It's a really great size, so I can't wait to get some chairs and a little table and some things going out here so we can kind of hang out and chill. So one of the main reasons why we wanted a 3-bedroom is because we wanted to have 2 separate workspaces versus sharing a workspace. So this side of the apartment is the work side, and that's what I'm going to show you right now. This is my workspace, my filming room and photo room and all the stuff that I need to do what I do. So I love that there are lots and lots of windows in here. So much natural light is coming in, which is ideal for my space. So here is the closet that's inside of my beauty room. It's gonna be great for whenever I get packages and just anything that I need to use for filming purposes and shooting purposes. I have all the space to store everything in here, from equipment and the whole 9. So I love that I have a nice size closet attached to my beauty room. So once you step out of my beauty room, it leads us right into the guest bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom. I love that we have double sinks in this bathroom actually, and then it also gives us a lot more cabinet space. We have double mirrors, which is also nice. So we also have a linen closet in this bathroom now, which is nice. And then we have a shower tub situation going on. So once you come out of the bathroom and go into this next room, this is my honey's space. It's gonna be his workspace and also double up as like a man cave personal space room. And let's go see it. A nice spacious room for him to work and do all the things that, you know, men do. And then he also has a closet in his room, which is also very spacious. So now, last but not least, on the other side of the apartment is the master bedroom, which pretty much looks identical to our last unit. So if you've seen that tour, then you know what this looks like, but we do have a bonus feature that I'm excited to show. So this is the master bedroom. It is the same layout as the previous unit that we were just in, except for it is a little bit bigger. But again, very spacious, a lot of natural light coming in because we have a nice big window right here. Carpet, ceiling fan, the whole shebang, and it's just a great room. I'm very familiar with the layout, so I'm happy that that's not changing. Here is the closet, which is a girl's dream. So it is the exact same custom built-in closet that we already had in our 2-bedroom, so none of this changed at all. So the bonus part to this bedroom is that we have an additional closet in our room. So now we have another closet in the room that can fit all the rest of our stuff and all the additional things that I'll end up buying. And now on to one of my favorite rooms in the apartment, and it's our master bathroom. So we still have the same cute linen closet that's in our bathroom. So we have our his and her sinks and also double mirrors, lots of cabinet space to store and hold all of our bathroom items. And basically the bathroom is identical to our last unit. So there's no surprise to why I would be obsessed with this shower. It's the exact same shower we had in our last apartment. And I'm just obsessed with it, so I had to show it again. I had to get in here again because it's this gorgeous, big, double-headed shower where we both can take showers at the same time, and it's just so much space. And honestly, wash days have been amazing having a shower this big because I just feel like I have so much space. But yeah, so still obsessed with the shower. I will always be obsessed with the shower, and I'm happy that we have the exact same layout because I love it so much. So much. So that's all for my new empty apartment tour. I definitely wanted to show you guys the new space because I love it so much, and also as I show you guys the decorating process, I don't want it to be confusing because you're like, wait, we didn't see this before, this looks different. So I had to show you guys a little update on where I am now and, you know, all the things. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you on my next upload.